Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about AI and its limitless possibilities, then you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest updates. And today I've got some exciting and I would say groundbreaking news. OpenAI's DALL-E 3 is here and they're going to integrate it with ChatGPT, which I think is amazing news. To be totally honest, I have not been super impressed with DALL-E as an image generator. But I think this new release, the version 3, is going to be amazing. So let me talk about why this is such a big deal. DALL-E 3 takes the AI generated art, I think, up a level. It's not just about creating art anymore. It's really going to be about creating art conversationally, if you will. What I mean by that is you can now chat with DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT and bring your artistic visions to life. And I think this is going to be really powerful for us as marketers. This is going to roll out in October for those that have a ChatGPT Plus account or for enterprise users. That just means you have to pay ChatGPT for an account, which is $20 on the low end of the spectrum. I don't even know what the enterprise price is, to be totally honest. I do highly recommend a paid account regardless, because there's just so much more opportunity for you. Let's talk about the possibilities for a second, because I want to turn this into something that matters to you. Let's say, for example, you're a podcaster. Imagine creating like custom artwork for each episode, capturing the essence of your discussions all through a simple chat with DALL-E 3. Or if you are a merch creator, like, you're creating t-shirts or stickers or anything that you're selling a digital product, for example, you could generate unique, high quality designs for your merch store in seconds. And that would be, I think, incredible. And then, if you are a storyteller or an author, or specifically maybe children's books that you would like to create, or maybe you've like dreamed of writing a children's book in the past and would love to be able to have a complete book with illustrations just by chatting up this idea with AI, right? So take a peek at this video as an example of the possibilities of how this could quickly allow you to create a children's book, or any book for that matter. Honestly, the possibilities are stinking amazing. So my AI 2 cents, if you will, is that DALL-E 3 is not just an upgrade, it's going to be a paradigm shift in the AI generated art space. Its seamless integration with ChatGPT opens up a world of creative opportunities. Whether you're a podcaster, a marketer, or an educator, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. So mark your calendars for October and get ready to unleash your creativity. If you're as excited about AI as I am, then make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates. And don't forget to join our community where we obsess over the latest in AI tech. The link is in the description below. That's it for today, folks. I can't wait to see what you create with DALL-E 3 and ChatGPT.